Where?
Right there. Oh, you didn't see it yet. Oh, yes you do.
Where is he?
Oh, he's on the roof.
Come on, seagulls. Alright, let's see if this time we'll get it. Come on.
Right there.
Whoa, I see him now.
Alright, I hear you hungry.
Alright.
The first one swooped down. Here he comes down. There he is, right there. Come on, it's laying there. Hurry up.
I know. Come on, before some other bird takes it. Here we go. Oh, he went backwards.
Look, you stupid bird.
No.
You don't like onions? Maybe they don't like onions.
Maybe. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's all the way back there.
Oh, they're real fast. Wow. Wow.
Watch it come on, I'm done filming. Come on. Oh.
Up there never came down.
Here's this bird.
Fly there.
I don't know, but come on, get the onion rings before they get moldy and stale. Wait, Mom. Wait, here comes one. Yay! Finally! And he's eating it. More seagulls. Well, one of them got it.
Uh-oh, now you're going to stay there.
Stupid seagull, get out the road. Get off the dang road.
Where did that go?
Oh my God, getting a close up. And then he flies away.